This is my marble run. So they have connected into this, and there is a switcher on this piece. The left side goes on the zigzag, and then the left side goes on there. So the second route is like the curves and the zigzags, and it connects on there from there as well. So on the third route it goes on the curve and then the S shape, and then it connects that one as well. So let's get started on this one. So this is our first route. This is going to be the left-handed side. No one did the V in the video.
Oh.
So now the left. So that was the right side. So now the left hand is on. I got this in 2012. And then we got the second bit on there. So sometimes you get stuck on there. So I'll just do that bit. So to the S shape. Oh, it's yeah. And then the third route. I'm trying to get something here.
So, is that the most complicated one you've ever made?
Yes, it is.
You're very proud of that? 'Cause I think it's awesome.
Yeah, it is. So, make sure to subscribe and like.